If you have been hearing people talk about Invideo AI and wondering what it actually is, what it does, and why so many creators are suddenly using it, then this video is going to save you a lot of confusion. Because honestly, most people think Invideo AI is just another simple AI video generator, but it is actually much bigger than that. Invideo AI can generate full videos from a single prompt, create voiceovers, build faceless YouTube videos, generate AI visuals, edit videos using simple text commands, clone voices, create AI avatars, and even help you create content for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and business marketing. And the crazy part is you can do most of that without traditional editing skills. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what Invideo AI is, how it works, what features it includes, who it is best for, and whether it is actually worth using. And if you want the exact setup, bonuses, and resources I personally use for creating and ranking AI videos online, I linked everything in the description below so you can follow along step by step. So first, what exactly is Invideo AI? The easiest way to think about it is this. Invideo AI is an all-in-one AI video creation platform. Instead of manually editing videos scene by scene inside complicated editing software, you simply describe the video you want using a prompt. For example, you can type something like, create a YouTube video about making money online using AI tools, or create a 30-second Instagram ad for a fitness product. And then Invideo AI generates the script, the scenes, the visuals, the subtitles, the voiceover, the music, and the editing automatically, which honestly feels kind of insane the first time you use it. Now, one reason Invideo AI is getting so popular is because it combines multiple AI tools into one platform. You get access to AI video generation, AI image generation, AI voiceovers, AI avatars, workflows, templates, stock footage, voice cloning, subtitles, and editing tools all inside one dashboard. And according to a lot of creators, this is what saves the most time, because normally you would need a script writer, a voiceover tool, a stock footage platform, a video editor, a subtitle generator, and multiple AI tools separately. But Invideo AI combines everything together. Now let me quickly show you how the workflow actually works, because this is where things start making sense. Once you log into Invideo AI, you will see a prompt box. This is where you describe the video you want. You can keep it simple or detailed. The more specific you are, the better the result usually becomes. You can also choose video length, platform type, voice style, music type, subtitles, AI generated footage, or stock footage. Then once you hit generate, the AI starts building the entire video automatically. And honestly, this is the part that surprises most beginners. Instead of spending hours editing manually, you are basically directing the AI like a creative assistant. Now, one feature people really seem to love is workflows. This gives you pre-built templates for things like YouTube explainers, faceless videos, ads, short form videos, product videos, social media content, animations, and business marketing. So instead of starting from scratch every time, you can choose a workflow and customize it. That makes things much easier for beginners. Another really interesting feature is AI voice cloning. You can actually upload your own voice and have Invideo AI generate voiceovers that sound like you. And you can even translate those voiceovers into other languages. So for example, you could create one video in English and then turn it into German, Spanish, or other supported languages automatically. That is honestly huge for creators trying to reach international audiences. Now let's talk about one of the biggest reasons people are using this tool right now, faceless YouTube channels. A lot of creators are now using Invideo AI to build channels without filming themselves. You can generate educational videos, business content, motivational videos, product reviews, tutorials, and social content entirely using AI workflows. And based on the research from other creators, this is one of the biggest use cases right now. Now, of course, no AI tool is perfect, and I want to keep this realistic. One thing many users mention is that AI generations are not always perfect on the first try. Sometimes scenes look strange. Sometimes subtitles need adjustments. Sometimes prompts need improving. And longer videos usually require more editing. That is completely normal with AI right now. Another thing people talk about is credits. Invideo AI runs on a credit system, which means higher quality generations use more credits. So if you are creating lots of long videos every single day, your credits can disappear pretty quickly. That is why I usually recommend beginners start smaller first. Learn the platform, test shorter videos, understand how prompting works, then scale up later once you know what you are doing. Now, if you decide to sign up through my link below, I am also giving away my full 12K bonus package completely free. This bonus package is designed to help you actually grow and monetize the videos you create with Invideo AI. Inside, you're going to get access to the 24-hour ranking system, which shows you how to rank videos on YouTube and Google faster. You are also getting List Prodigy, which teaches you how to build an email list using AI. Then you get AI Content Mastery, where you learn how to create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, guides, and mini courses. You are also getting over 90 make money online courses covering SEO, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and video marketing. And on top of that, I am including a 10-day Invideo AI training course that walks you through setup, workflows, prompting, and content creation step by step. The training is delivered daily through email, so make sure you check your inbox and spam folder after signing up. So overall, what is Invideo AI? It is basically an AI-powered content creation platform designed to help people create videos dramatically faster using prompts and automation. And honestly, for beginners, affiliate marketers, faceless YouTube creators, online businesses, and content creators, it can save a massive amount of time, especially if editing normally feels overwhelming. So if you want to test Invideo AI yourself and grab the full 12K bonus package, check out the links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you watch the next one, because I am going to show you how to actually create better videos using Invideo AI step by step.